Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a study space in your room. As a student, we know how important it is to have a dedicated study space. A dedicated study space can help you stay focused and productive. So, let's get started. The first step to creating a study space in your room is to declutter your space. Remove any unnecessary items and organize your belongings. This will help you create a clean and organized space that's conducive to studying. After decluttering your room, make sure to also declutter your desk if you have one already. Remove any unnecessary items from the desk and organize all your supplies. This will help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Another important thing is to have the right desk. Choose a desk that's the right size for your room and has enough space for your computer, books, and other study materials. All you need is a desk with enough space to contain your study materials. Some of the study materials you will need on your desk include a laptop or a desktop, a lamp, a pen or pencil holder, and a book organizer, to name a few. Having a comfortable chair is also important. Make sure your chair is ergonomic and provides good back support. This will help you avoid back pain and help you stay focused for longer periods of time. You should be able to adjust your chair to your height. Another crucial element for your study space is lighting. Natural light is best, but if that's not possible, invest in a good desk lamp. A good desk lamp will help reduce eye strain and keep you alert. Another useful tool to add to your study space is a whiteboard. A whiteboard is a great addition to your study space. You can use it to write down important notes, reminders, and to-do lists. Finally, add some personal touches to your study space. This can include plant, photo frame, motivational poster. These items can help create a positive and inspiring environment. These are some tips on how to create a study space in your room. Remember, having a dedicated study space can help you stay focused and productive. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe.